Hey guys, Justin here from CBI Off-Road. Today we're going to show you how to install a set of ditch light brackets on your 2022 Tundra. Stay tuned. All right, so step one, obviously raise the hood up, and we're gonna start on the driver's side. And you'll see you have two brackets and they have laser etched in them. One has a D, indicates the driver's side. The other one has a P, indicating the passenger side. So we're gonna take a 12mm ratchet wrench here. You can use a socket or a wrench, doesn't matter. And we're just gonna remove one bolt at a time. So we'll remove this bolt and then get it started with the bracket on top of this, and then we'll swing it around and get this other bolt in there. Okay, now we're gonna repeat the same process on the passenger side. Slam it. All right guys, that sums up our install tutorial of the ditch light brackets on the 2022 Tundra. Now you're ready to mount your lights up and hit the trails. Don't forget, like, subscribe, leave us a comment below. Thanks.